Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make an announcement channel on Discord. So if you find this video helpful today, please either like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So an announcement channel on Discord is basically like a sort of like Twitter. So what happens is you can make an announcement and people that are following that channel, they will receive messages or updates to the server. And what we're going to do is use the Discord web application, but the process is the same if you want to use the actual downloadable application. So you can see I've created an example server. There's nothing special in here. It's just I've literally just set this up for this example. And what's going to happen is if I click onto create channel, at the moment I've only got the choice between a text channel and a voice channel, but there's no announcement channel. So to do this, it's just a couple of things you need to do. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come to the drop down box for your server, give that a click and then click onto server settings. And what you need to do is if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you need to come down and click onto this which says enable community. And then we're just going to go ahead and set this up. So we're going to click the blue get started button. And it's a couple of things to do. So to minimize spam, basically you have to have a verified email required. And also Discord automatically scans and deletes media sent in this server that contain explicit content. So for example, anything that's deemed as explicit will be deleted automatically by Discord. This is just something that Discord do. So you just tick those to agree and then you click this green next button down here. So there's two things that's going to happen. There's going to be a rules or guideline channel created, which is basically the servers and rules for the members which you post. And also the community updates channel, which is basically where Discord sends relevant updates to yourself. So they do this basically because some info, it can be a bit sensitive, so you might not want everyone to see it. But all you need to do is click the green next button. And then the last step is to basically tick these boxes for what you want. And if you're happy, then you just need to read through this confirmation. Tick the box to say you agree and understand. Obviously, if you want to read through the community guidelines, you can do. You can click it there. And once you tick the box, just click the green finish setup button. And what's going to happen, that's going to set up the community. So now if I actually come back to the server, you can see that it's added a rules channel. So this is where you would put your own rules. This is the moderator only, so that's where you get the community updates from Discord. And then if you have a look now, if we go and click to create a channel, you've now got the option to add an announcement channel. So all you would do is literally click that and call it whatever you want. So announcements, hit the create channel button down here. And you'll see that that's now been created. So what people would do is come across to your announcements channel and you'll see at the top there's a follow button. And what they would do is basically click this button, and what that's going to do is add channel updates to the server. So for example, if someone's got a server and they click to follow you on this announcements channel, they can choose where to send the announcements to. And yeah, it's a bit like Twitter, as I say, every time an announcement gets posted, that'll be sent through to everyone that's following your announcements channel. But yeah, so I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.